until 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time this afternoon. Small craft advisory in effect from 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time this afternoon through this evening. Today, southwest wind 25